Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with safety and access, park level and let the engine cool. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then remove the seat or trim panels that block the Raider Fi airbox. Use a 10mm and an 8mm socket to loosen clamps. Do this now so you can work without fighting fasteners later. As you loosen, keep each bolt and clip in order. This saves time when reassembling. Once done, tilt the wiring harness aside. Make sure it won't snag during the next steps. Now you detach the airbox itself. First, unclip the intake boots and any vacuum lines. Label each hose with tape so you know where it returns. Then remove the mounting bolts while supporting the box. The internal filter or snorkel can shift or fall once bolts are out. Lift the filter assembly straight up and out. Avoid dragging it across edges to prevent damage. Inspect the element and housing for cracks and heavy contamination, because replacing the filter or sealing a cracked box prevents. To finish, seat the filter and housing correctly and hand start each mounting bolt before torquing to spec. This ensures even sealing. Reconnect intake boots, vacuum hoses, and electrical connectors, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Once reassembled, run the engine and listen for leaks. Spritz soapy water or feel for air at joints. Make sure clamps are snug. If you get a rough idle or check engine light, recheck vacuum lines and clean the mass airflow or throttle body contacts. These often cause issues after airbox work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.